Well, I don't know if you can see me or not. It's still dark outside. It's like 5:20 in the morning. Normally, when Delana was picking me up from work, she would pick me up at 6 o'clock. And I would just always stay and get an hour of overtime every morning. But I decided to go on and leave at 5 this morning because I have to do some laundry and stuff before I sleep today. So, should be interesting. And I'm gonna try to avoid getting my feet and shoes and socks wet in the grass today. There were a couple of joggers out yesterday morning on my way home, and they were like, there's like a little portion of the street that's, you know, not part of where the cars drive, and they were jogging on that. So I'm gonna try to walk on that. And there's not much traffic out at 6 o'clock in the morning, like during the time that I left yesterday. But there's even less traffic out this time of morning. It's like almost 5:30. So I wanted to go in and leave and see if I could not get my feet wet by walking on the actual road where there's no sidewalks. So that's what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm feeling a little bit sluggish this morning because when I got to work yesterday, I was all pumped up, or last night. I was all pumped up, feeling good. And then over the course of the night, with me just sitting at my desk for 8 hours, I started getting really stiff, which is understandable whenever you start an exercise regimen. So my feet are achy and my muscles in my legs are achy, but I'm still feeling pretty good. I'm just a little bit But I'm coming up to this intersection that's really annoying because on my way here last night, the lights would turn green, but the pedestrian crosswalk kept saying, "Don't cross." And it said that for the entire time the lights were green, and then everything switched, and so the opposite traffic was able to go, but I never got he never told me that I could cross. So I had to end up just crossing when the lights are green and ignore the pedestrian crosswalk sign. And I've been watching it as I've been walking toward it, and it's not changing for the lights anymore. It's not changing anymore. It's still just holding up the red hand and not showing the little white person, the little white lights shaped in a person to tell you to go across. So that's pretty sucky. But anyway, just walking home in the dark. So if I encounter anything interesting, I'll be sure to turn the camera on. I don't even know if you can see me or not. I guess we'll see when I go back and look at this footage. Bye bye for now.
Tuesday, and it's nice and sunny out today. And Stink is over there, just going to the bathroom. We're going to see a movie today. Chris and Susan are on their way back to Memphis to get my cousin Brandy because she wasn't able to come with us on Sunday, so they were nice enough to drive to Memphis and go get her. So they'll be back tonight. So me and my aunt are going to go see a movie this afternoon, and then we're going to pick Eli up from football practice, and I'm just enjoying this beautiful day. It's so pretty out. Come on, let's go. water, I don't understand why the water was not working. I can check it the other day. It's so pretty. I think he's loving it. It's a bit of a climb. Stinky, where are you going? Well, you can go.
See, there's motel rooms back there. And those, of course, were motel rooms. And whoever ran the place lived in one there at the end.
Uh-huh.
And then the restaurant was in there. And now it was the office. Oh, it's all except the kids are just over there. But you can walk off behind that building and see how it just goes right up.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that weird?
It is.
They just built that in here. I could see if it was in Miami or upstate New York for Disneyland Day.
Where?
Up behind that tree, like a look.
Oh, okay.
See.
Oh, yeah.
But I was thinking those steps back there to get up on that platform too. Wonder what's up in there. Yeah, see.
Well, as you can see, that's what woke me up this morning, or today, this afternoon, whatever it is. The cats were fighting on the bed while I was sleeping. So I got up and did a few things, and they've still been fighting. Whatever. I meant to do my laundry before I went to sleep, but when I got in, I was so tired. And so I went on and just went straight to sleep when I got in this morning. And my feet are really hurting. I've got some blisters coming up on certain spots of my feet. So I know that walking to work tonight is going to be such a joy. I can't wait to do it. I mean, I'm really glad to get the exercise, but I need to figure out how to not get blisters on my feet. And I think I need to get some insole inserts for my shoes that makes them a little bit softer. Because my walking shoes that I have had for quite a while now, and I'm sure that I probably need a new pair, but I really don't want to spend the money on those right now. So I'm going to try, before I spend money on a new pair of shoes, I'm going to try to get some inserts and see if that might help. Maybe give them a few more months of life or something. So I just went and took my laundry down to put in the wash. So I'm going to wait a little bit and then go back down and put it in the dryer. And I think I might have to cook me something to eat because I didn't eat when I came in this morning. I literally walked in and got ready for bed and went to bed. So But yeah, hopefully if I can get these cats calmed down, they'll get their little playtime out while I'm up doing my laundry and cooking, and hopefully I can squeeze in a little nap before work tonight. I hope. Charge. Why are you fighting with Kesha all the morning? I know you don't like the camera on you, but I'm putting you in an uncomfortable situation because you put me in an uncomfortable situation. You were in your little partner in crime over there. Trying to interrupt my sleep with your fighting. What is the meaning of this, Chachi? Chach. What do you have to say for yourself? Nothing? Nothing at all? Alright then. You're going the silent route. Walk away. Just walk away. You gonna try to get comfy there? Chachi. Oh look, there's Kesha over there, prowling around in the kitchen. You better not mess that litter box up, Kesha. She's been such a little witch with the litter box. It's like, we're gonna knock all the litter out of the box, and then we're gonna use the bathroom outside the box. And then we're not gonna cover up our poo when we put it in the litter box. But at least she's getting it in the vicinity. I guess I can be thankful for that. Sleeping babies.